I almost missed it. Motorhome parking for Bontrager's surplus. I don't know how you say it. At the last minute I saw this sign, and across the street is the surplus yard store. Let's go have a look. Well, here we are inside. Aisle after aisle of everything you could think of, except the thing that I need. They had it. I was looking for a replacement fan in my bathroom in the Pleasureway because it got rained on and the motor stopped working. However, he said they did have the entire replacement unit, but they're gone. Here's a view of the lumber department. Part of it, anyway. And windows, doors, plumbing bits and bobs. And outside they have tires and wires, and lots of both. Hubcaps, more tires. Actually, I meant to say rims. They have rims.